Here we are with the fifth and final episode of CorelDraw Part 5. I am Sakshi Mandwal and our subject expert is Mohammad Miraj Wasim. Mohammad Miraj Wasim is a master in fine arts, specialized in applied arts and also done a certificate course in printing technology and advanced computer graphics certification from TGC Delhi. He is heading an advertising agency since 1992. We are sure that as of today, you will be familiar enough to drive CorelDraw. We will give you a brief about that, what we taught in our last episode and what topics we will be going through in our last and final episode of the CorelDraw as well. Topics we covered in our last episode are remaining tools of last episode. We will also teach you menus in detail. Many examples by using mixed use of menus and tools. And now topics we are here to cover in our today's episode of CorelDraw are remaining menus of today's episode with examples. In our last episode, we had completed the bitmaps menus, so we will start right from there only. We request you to be focused and attentive as it is the last phase of the CorelDraw. So, get going. Remaining menus of today's episode. Text menu. Next to the bitmaps menus are text menu. Though you had been to a brief tour of this menu in our previous set of episodes, but we will throw more light on this menu. To use this menu, first you have to select text tool from toolbox. Then go to the text menu and you will see that the first option available is of character formatting. By this option, you have an access and freedom to elaborate your character's attribute. Like, you can change font style, point size, change the features like boldness, normal or underline, etc. and its alignment as well. Next set is of character effects, under which you can strike through. The font can do all caps, etc. After character effects, next is character shift, by which you can change character angle and can shift it horizontally and vertically. After character, extra options of paragraph formatting are available. By this option, you can control on alignment, spacing and indents. To apply settings, you have to make a text frame first. To create a paragraph and to create a text frame, you need to select text tool first, then click in the page by mouse left button, hold and drag the mouse as wide as you wish to create your desired width. Now, click inside the text frame and start typing in it. Please don't panic if after typing many words, you see your text frame is filled and you are typing the text but it is not seen. Actually, you need to increase the text frame as soon as you see your text is hiding. When you face this problem, you will see that when your paragraph is filled, at the end, an arrow appears automatically. Now, as you made a full para, you can edit it further by applying all its options as we told you just now, according to your needs. Next set of options are available are of tabs, bullets, indents and column. Supposing you are designing a newspaper or a magazine's pages, by these options your job becomes convenient. In this option also, when you click an option window appears and you can apply the desired settings commonly used in design. Only gutter space may be new to you. Gutter space is a space which appears between the two paras and it is limited to international standards. After paragraph, other options available are edit text, insert character symbol and insert formatting codes. The first two are repeats of character and paragraph options, but third option of formatting codes is important and generally used in scientific formulas and mathematical equations and sums. You can try them if you are working to related field. After character codes, interesting options are available and we can call it as last options of text menu. Though there are other menus also after this, but of no use. Either they are extra options available for this menu we taught or are information related to para and character, which are repeats. So, viewers, that is text styling. Suppose if you want to write something in circular format and want to paste on outer radius of globe, it will help you write in that direction. We would show you how it could be done. First, type any word. Make a circle or an oval. After it, select both by Pick tool. Go to Text menu and apply Fit Text to Path. Now you have converted your path according to your wish. After applying this command, you will see a red square node appearing on the text. Click that after selecting Pick tool. By doing so, you can rotate your text to left, right or downwards. You can increase the distance between circle and the text. You can also drag your text inside the circle. You can mirror it also. You can also manipulate and edit it by going through the options bar available just below the menus. After it, go to the Arrange menu and click on the option of Break Text Apart. By doing so, your circle and text will be separated, and now you can place your text wherever you want. Even you can create any curved path and fit your text on that also. It is very creative and very useful, popular option of CorelDraw. Table. After text menu option is the last menu called as table menu. This is useful if you are making a poster or brochure of a financial institute. It has advanced and maximum features. It is simple and easy to use, easy to manage and is window driven. When you choose an option, the needed window will appear and you can apply your setting accordingly. Tools, window and help. Like other softwares, these menus also work in the same manner. You need to customize your tools and menus according to your requirement. We request you leave it in default condition until or unless you are confident enough to handle it well. Only required part which has to be rectified is Quick Correct option, which comes under the category option of text, which may embarrass you at times. Suppose you're typing asthma. It will automatically convert it into asthma. And if you write capital C, it will be converted automatically to copyright symbol. So we request you not to panic. You can customize it. The only area where you may be uncomfortable. If you customize the problem, it would be over. Number 2. We will show many examples by using mixed use of menus and tools. Now we will teach you some live exercises which are made in CorelDraw generally, and you will get these kind of assignments in the world of designing, advertising, printing and events as well. And we hope these are the best examples. We will teach you through step by step, so we request you to precisely be more focused. Label. Dear viewers, we will draw a label of a medicine to start with. Draw a size as you wish, as we have shown on screen. After it, select it by Pick tool, go to the toolbox's second last option of Fill menu, click on that. Click on Pattern Fill and a window will appear on the screen as we show you on the screen. Select any pattern as I select bitmap. Then select a grass as it is a poultry product. You can make according to your choice and apply it by OK. Now, go to Toolbox and go to Blends options. Click on Transparency tool and apply it from top to bottom or bottom to top. I did so just because I want to write some technical specifications on it. If I write text, it will not be visible as the background is dark, so the text gets merged in the background. After it, draw a rectangle. Fill it up by white color, make a copy of it and reduce it in height and place both rectangle in front of the background you made as shown in the picture. After taking this action, make an oval and fill it with pattern fill and place on top of the design as I placed. After it, import an image as I did and place on that oval. After placing the image, place typo as shown here. Again, place body text and other information, and you will see that how beautiful design you have made.
CorelDraw is mainly used in printing, and it's the most popular software when it comes to printing. It is used in every printing method, means if means every medium, like in advertising, in print media, in newspaper media. You come with particular layout. It's been imported in CRD form, and it's directly send it for printing, and it has a very huge number of extension which can be used for printing. Means even you can import from Illustrator to CorelDraw by the in the extension form of EPS. So it's a kind of boon for printing.
Image shadow. Now in our second live example, we teach you how image or product shadows are created in CorelDraw. It is again just a matter of your creativity or creative input to achieve a high, aesthetically strong design. More creative you are, more beautiful the design would be. Perception changes from person to person, and ability to use the tool or menus of any software according to your ability to make you different in the market and create value and demand in client's eye. So, these exercises I am demonstrating is according to my perception. Perhaps you may explore it in a different creative way.
Interactive fill tool. This is a tool which gives you liberty in color management. Like if you are making a ball, in that ball there's a highlight, mid-tone and dark tone. If you are making that particular small little highlight, then it is very difficult to give that crisp highlight. If you are giving very subtle and very smooth highlight, so you can use this tool because it has wires, and it has wires with an opacity, means it gels, it blends, it syncs with dark tone and light tone, which makes a very nice effect when you are giving a spherical look or rounded look, because light is falling on the means light falls on a particular sphere, and it gives a kind of shiny look. So this tool can be used, and you can manage by the help of that points where you want to give dark tone, where you want to give light tone, means you can manage it very easily.
Import the ball as I did. Make a circle of same dimensions as the ball. Place it on the ball. Go to Effects menu. Select Power Clip and apply the command of place inside the container. After it, make a copy of it and mirror it as I did. After doing so, select the image which you copied. Go to Bitmaps menu and convert it to the bitmaps 300 dpi and CMYK. It is necessary as to apply transparency, you have to convert it to bitmaps. Now go to Toolbox, click Blend tool, select Transparency tool and apply on the image which you copied. Now you will experience how fast shadows you have created in a few minutes.
Drop shadow is very important tool when you are giving a shadow, or you are giving a 3D look, and you are cheating it with the light. Means you are giving a very simple, very light color in the foreground and dark color in the background. So if you are doing like this, it will give a 3D space, means you'll increase that you will increase that drop shadow thing, and it will give a hitting sort of thing, means that particular text will give you a hitting sort of thing, means if you are giving a very important notice, so means important statement, then you can use this drop shadow. And if you are also interested to give sort of you can say light around it, then also you can use this drop shadow tool. It's very good for designing and thing. The most important tool in CorelDraw is pen tool. When you're designing a graphics or you are illustrating something into a particular artwork, so you can use this tool very smoothly. Means you want to give a kind of look that is very kiddish. So you can design by yourself, and you can give a particular stylized form. So pen tool is very beneficiary when it comes to book design, when it comes to layout design, when it comes to cover design. It's also used in packaging. When packaging is means it's done when it's modeled in very creative sort of thing, means creative manner.
Making an apple. Now you will be surprised, but we will show you that how you can make an apple in CorelDraw. An apple in CorelDraw? Yes, it is. First, bring an image of apple you can download from your collection or the internet. This image, we will use it as a reference, as everybody is not an artist who can draw an apple well. Now, select Bezier tool from Shapes tool option and trace firstly apple and close the path after making it, so that you can fill it up afterwards. We will show all images of its formation. First, you concentrate on its method and technique. After making entire apple, trace its shading and detailing in outline. After that, trace its leaves and stem also. Now, your apple in parts is ready. After this project, apply fountain fill to bigger part of the apple you traced. Use radial part, keep darker color on the outer part and lighter part inside part. So you will achieve the real look by doing so. Copy it and send back that and increase it by just 2 or 3% and darken a little on the front part. After that, fill accordingly by method we told you by manipulating the similar darker and lighter tones and apply transparency to those areas of detailing so that those shaded areas does not look sharp as it would be merged instead. Prepare also leaves the same way. In leaves, apply fountain fill, but apply linear fill from darker green to lighter green. In between the leaves, fill separator part by white color. After it, go to stem part and fill it again by fountain fill from left to right, by linear fill, by dark brown to light brown. You will see your apple is ready. So viewers, we hope you must have enjoyed and learned our live exercises. Now, for your reference, we are showing here the images of formation of the apple step by step. So keep enjoying.
In CorelDraw, there is a tool, transparency tool. It's very important when it comes to masking, because we generally use masking in Photoshop, and when it comes to Photoshop, then we have to import files to Photoshop and lots of things had to be done. So it's quite time taking, and to reduce that time, because clients are very they are not very relaxed when it comes to time limit. So if we are doing in CorelDraw, then we can use this transparency tool as a masking tool, because masking is nothing but a kind of higher intensity higher intensity color stream to lower intensity color stream. So it actually merge from higher intensity color stream to lower intensity color stream. So when we are taking two objects and we are combining it together, so we need a kind of subtleness in between that, like in horizon, means when there's a sea and there's a mountain, or you can say a cloud. So then we can use this transparency tool to give a very realistic effect into it, and we can also use this transparency tool in reflection. Yeah, if there's a glass table or something which is made of glass or very shiny material, then there's a direct reflection from that object to that particular medium, like glass or something. So in that we can use transparency tool. We have a very short and very we have very short and very you can say very easy method to give this reflection effect with the help of transparency tool.
Summary. Dear viewers, at last we have managed to finish our final phase of the exciting designing software CorelDraw. Though we tried very hard and put our best efforts to provide you the right and correct teaching aids and plans, but always as a human being, we commit errors. We cannot get perfection in any field, but can try to get just near to perfection. Well, we hope we somewhere achieved our goal to deliver you the best possibilities. Now, as usual, we would like you to give you brief recap on today's episode of CorelDraw. We started from text menu. We initially gave wide information on characters attribute, that how you could do wonders in Corel with the word character. We taught you that how you can change font style, point size, and can change the features like boldness, normal or underline of the font or character and its alignment. We also taught that after writing any word in small letters, you can easily change it to capitals. After character effects, we gave you a preview on utility of character shift, that you can change character angle and can shift it horizontally and vertically. After that, we moved to paragraph setting. We provided that information, that how fast you can create text frame and start working in paragraph. You came to know the various options and variation of paragraph formatting. After it, we told you the use of indents and tabs, that how easily you can incorporate the features in a paragraph. Gave you an awareness of use in publication industry. We also precisely told you the features of column setting. You came to know new technical features of gutter space, which is very important in the field of publication industry. We also taught you formatting codes, which are useful in the field of science and maths, and this feature also makes Corel a different one. After that, we discussed fit text to path command. We provided you a live example on it, which can be very useful for you as well. After paragraph and character setting, we gave you a brief idea on table creation related to accounts and finance. We also gave vital information on customization of tools and menu options. We brought a preview on quick correct option of text options. Last but not the least, we showed you 3 live exercises with complete step-by-step pictures. First, we made a commercial product label and showed you complete formation of it step by step, so that you can learn it well. Secondly, we showed you how you can create beautiful shadows in Corel, which is generally in people's perception known to be made in Photoshop only. But smartly, we think we gave the best tutorial in our perception. Third, an excellent example of illustration we gave. We proved that CorelDraw is everybody's software. One who got creative and artistic skills can easily create any object in it. Well, you came to know that an apple a day not only keeps the doctor away, but also formation of an apple makes your day special and amazing. Hope after a live demo of apple, you can make any fruit of your desire. But it depends how you can make and achieve with your smart skills and creativity. So this is how we made it possible to deliver it to millions of people throughout the India by our special episodes of CorelDraw successfully. And for us to be excused and end our last episode of our series of teaching software virtually through the electronic media. So we say goodbye and hope you very soon we will be meeting again through this media. But before we go at the end, traditionally we would like to remind you of the topics we covered in our today's episode. Remaining menus of today's episode, and we will show many examples by using mixed use of menus and tools. We thank you that with due passions, you made our entire episode a great success and watched them with great interest. We request you to further try to keep practicing daily so that it will be more user-friendly and you for days to come. Till then, goodbye and have a great time and keep learning as well. Thanks for being patient during the show. Good day.